Tapi saya apa wearing di school WhatsApp ya tak? Nah, di kau, terus di reply-nya.
You see large cardamom in Kamle district. You see photograph geotech and new city. You see dia tak capek
नहीं नहीं सर कुछ भी नहीं दिया ये दिया बस जो जी तो सर जो है ना ये दिया उसने हमको ये
वो अच्छे लिखा है ना third appellant. The appellant stated that in the last hearing, it was the fifth hearing held on 13 November 2025. The PIO come GHO, Kamle District, Government of AP, Shri Taupa, PAW, DAPU, Taupapu, was present and submitted that he will be that that he doesn't have the information as the scheme for which the applicant has applied the information for was executed by the previous DHO. For which the information is sought by the applicant was available of the court, the office of the CIO. Next, it is to be noted that after hearing the CIO, the commission has ordered him to provide the information available with his office pertaining to the information that the applicant has sought for. The sixth hearing, next slide, the sixth hearing which is held today, the appellant stated that he has been provided information by the CIO, which is not related information pertaining to the Form A that he has submitted to the office of the CIO from 8th somewhere. Reading the and going through the previous orders of the commission. The commission has taken serious note of the VIO in today's hearing, whereas whereas he was
স্যার 10:30 কথা স্যার
personally
10:30 PHE তেজু
of the hearing that in the last hearing held on 13th November 2025.
স্যার PHE তেজু স্যার
The order of the commission
10:30
Lambu
কথা
ma'am.
স্যার 10:30
Good morning, sir.
provide
Case number,
the
case number.
information to the
number
client.
Case number one.
Case number
Their
140/2025.
spelling mistakes,
140/2025
insincerity of the PIO
Thank you, sir.
Appellant Benjamin.
DHO
Appellant Miss Bengia Mama. Mau tak terang ke kalau sekarang mana? Oh,
Cheese ko dyan. Yes, sir.
cheese
Oh,
mo.
oh, yeah. Main ano. Politik na sila. Yung problem.
paying PA1 and the paying he the law of the country and showing the least responsibility to abide by the law that is the Act 2020. Next, Nandan, about stated observations and facts. Commission hereby orders one sustainability by hosting the two proper Vijay Taram to the response of the guided response continue to provide the information as sought by the appellant completely within 1 month from today, in which disciplinary action as per the service rules will be initiated against the next the appellant to collect the information from the PIO within 1 month from today based on this order. Next, in the failure of the PIO to provide the complete information to the appellant will let the commission know by which the commission can recommend for disciplinary action against the PIO, the competent appointing authority of the PIO. हम डिस्पोज कर देगा उनकी मन में जो उसका सेक्रेटरी को हम लिखेगा और उसको डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन एज पर इट्स सर्विस रूल्स ना
आज डिस्पोज करें बिल्कुल वो जैसा हियरिंग्स के लिए तो बनता नहीं है हम लोग एक्चुअली एक दो हियरिंग में खत्म होती है लेकिन अभी जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे हियर करना पड़ता है ना इसलिए हम लोग पीछे आए इस ऑर्डर पे आप कल परसों कलेक्ट करके एक बार उसके पास चाहिए in 1 month from today. So if you fails to give provide you the information, just more to ऐसा he cannot take the complete and implicit executed by me. Variable officer ने execute किया इसलिए information नहीं है. Plus there line plus executed. But he cannot see it. इसलिए हमारे
सर मेरा ये जो 2026 है ना
वही जो भी हो whatever be
तो वो ये सर वो जो ये प्रीवियस जो आया था क्या है तो बोला है कि प्रीवियस का है ना
हाँ
अपना है तो वहाँ तो वही बोलना चाहिए कृषि तो चेंज नहीं होता
हाँ वही तो हम बोल रहे हैं यह तो कभी चेंज नहीं होगा ना आदमी ना चेंज होगा
आदमी चेंज होता और सर वही मैंने मेरा 2023 में आपको दिखेगा है कितना फ्लुएंट होगा उसका भी सर आपको
आपको you can think generally that compensation generally हम तो fuel का दे सकता है या ये स्टेट का वो भी जेन्युइन होना चाहिए तो उसका रिलेटेड कोई डॉक्यूमेंट ही सबमिट नहीं कर रहा तो हम कैसे दे पाए
यहाँ से सर जी इस बार दे देगा काम हो जाएगा
गाइस हम डिस्पोज कर दो छोड़ दीजिए अब हमेशा जो एप्लीकेंट है वो तो फुली प्रिपेयर्ड हो गया है तो whatever you are going to ask from the सब पेपर्स होते हैं बुक से तो छोड़ने से कोर्ट को वर्बली नहीं देता कोई भी कोर्ट ना Kapag versus executive engineer RWD, division. Nabang Kapag. वो ऑनलाइन नहीं है ना मैं he was personally present the second morning held on 13th November 2025 and open 45 Sunday to make such a meeting which is the
absence of that P makes and take previous note of that and despite being the appellant, such absence that the commission consider that the appellant is not at all serious on his appeal. Yeah. The PIO come executive engineer RWG Homa Division, Kumtara District, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Absent despite notice for hearing served unto him on 5/8/2025 as well as 13/11/2025 to be present in the hearing without fail. Despite of repeated notice for hearing served unto the PIO, the repeated absence of the PIO, paying no heed to the yes, the commission hereby taking serious note of the repeated absence of the PIO of number one. Send someone to the appellant to be present in the next letter without fail, failing which this appeal will be heard and determined as perfect. होमा डिवीजन कौन सा पुलिस स्टेशन का अंदर आएगा? बिल्कुल ना इसमें high level warrant of arrest against the PIO come executive engineer RWD Former Division District Kapumpara Government of Arunachal to secure the attendance in the next date of hearing. Next, send the non-available warrant of arrest, available warrant of arrest to the officer in charge, Tilpu Police Station, to execute and return the warrant of arrest before the ethic without fail and on time. Next, send copy of the available warrant of arrest to the SP कितने रीजन में आएगा क्या होगा ईटानगर में आएगा वो यहाँ दो एसपी है कैपिटल रीजन बोलते हैं बड़े बोलते हैं एसपी एसपी कैपिटल to oversee the arrest of the PIO come executive engineer RWG Omar Division through the officer in charge Chimpu Police Station. Send a copy of the available warrant of arrest to the Deputy Commissioner for information and investigation. Fix the next date of hearing on the date. 4th June, 10:30 am. Mamu Sono versus Director SPD ISSE Itanagar. सर वो पीआईओ इंफॉर्मेशन को देगा बोल के बोला था यहाँ पे उसके बाद कुछ दिया इंफॉर्मेशन
हाँ सर दिया तो सरकार ने ये दिया यो क्या ये आपका एक कनेक्ट देने वाला यही था इसका ये 2022-23 का ना इसका ये संसद जो रिलेटेड नहीं है वोटिंग का था इसको हम बचा के यहाँ पे डिस्पोज कर दिया था ये हो गया अभी जो 2024-25 उसको डॉक्यूमेंट
yes
actually in the system of Samagra Shiksha, I am deputy SPD, I am the PI, state quality professor रहता है, he is the API, and SPD is the first elect.
okay
And the second secretary or commissioner, whichever the इसका केस में सर just point by point when his first pay was received. So at that time, I was not the professional in this statement of education. So उस टाइम पे सर when we went to the police, उसमें commission का ही एक minute ये voluminous information and ये सब जो रिजेक्ट कर सकता है. So based on that हम लोगों ने उसको रिकमेंड किया था कि yours is very voluminous, specify कीजिए. तो फिर वो स्पेसिफाई करने से पहले फिर कमीशन ने अपना ही मैटर स्टोरी रिव्यू करते करते हुए डायरेक्शन की सूचना थी जो मामला कहला है। तो अकॉर्डिंगली हिज आरटीआई जो है सर ऐसा है कि उससे जो प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ फर्नीचर डेस्क एंड बेंचेस जो है ये सर एलिमेंट्री डायरेक्टर एलिमेंट्री में भी होता है, डायरेक्टर सेकेंडरी में भी होता है। और हमारे यहाँ पे जो टाइम पीरियड 23-24 का शायद उन्होंने मांगा था, यस 23-24 का। उस टाइम पे ये जो मेन मतलब जो मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन जो ये कलेक्ट किया है, that portion was implemented by the engineering wing, which is a separate department. उसका पीआईओ अलग होता है, एक उनका सिस्टम है। तो हमारे वहाँ पे जो इंफॉर्मेशन है जो समग्र शिक्षा ऑफिस जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो जो टेक्स्ट बुक रिलेटेड ही था, just छोटा सा। और टेक्स्ट बुक में भी सर ऐसा है कि टेक्स्ट बुक में एनसीईआरटी ने यहाँ पे गुवाहाटी पे एक रीजनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर नॉमिनेट किया हुआ है आरपीडीसी। तो आरपीडीसी दिल्ली के एनसीईआरटी से सीबीएसई जो ये जो we just deposit the rate according to the scope of आरपीडीसी और आरपीडीसी उस हिसाब से रिलीज करता है। तो हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ही हम लोग वो करते हैं। ट्रांसपोर्ट पर हम लोग एक बार टू एनआईटी या एनआईटी बुक्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है। उसी इंफॉर्मेशन को हमने दिया था। एंड देन जो इंजीनियरिंग विंग का इंफॉर्मेशन को हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग विंग को फॉर्म बी में हम लोगों ने फॉरवर्ड किया। उसके बाद में मिस्टर मामू लोग को एक कॉपी भी दिया। तो आई थिंक दिस इंसिस्टेंस इसकी हमको ही वो इंफॉर्मेशन देना, जबकि वो इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास नहीं है। तो ऐसा करके इस so that मुझे भी लगा कि दिस मैटर इज बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है चीजें क्या करना। तो आज पर्सनली अगेन रिमाइंडर्स टू द एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर और उसको टेलीफोनिकली हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि actually when form we have been submitted to you, the applicant should meet you and
Yes.
it is not my
Exactly.
or outlook, लेकिन वो जब फर्स्ट टू फिल करते हैं तो ऐसा करके वो वहां से सर इंफॉर्मेशन को जो इंफॉर्मेशन ये मांग रहे हैं वो सर आ गया है।
Okay.
तो आके हम देखिएगा।
Okay. That is
तो
really.
यही है सर। और ये एप्लीकेंट्स भी थोड़ा सा रूल्स को थोड़ा होने चाहिए।
ये सर मैं
आपका
आपको
क्या
बता
रहेगा?
ये सर अभी जो आपने बोला है ये पहली बात। अभी अभी जो ये लास्ट स्टेज हो गया तो आते रूल में ऐसे लिखा है यहाँ में भी स्पेसिफिक है। स्कीम यहाँ में 3-4 का ऐसे एक एप्लीकेशन में पहले हम लोग पता है 1-2-3 स्कीम है, यहाँ में ऐसे नहीं है, यहाँ में भी स्पेसिफिक है। और ये पॉइंट तो आपको ये कम है 30% 50-60 पॉइंट लगा सकता है, वो एज पर आपका जो काम जैसे काम करता है। तो इसी हिसाब से टेंडर प्रोसेस में ऐसे होता है। तो ये एक ही आपका जो उसका है स्पेसिफिक स्कीम का है। तो आपके एक में ये क्लियर लिखा है कि आप अगर आपका रिलेटेड ऑफिस में नहीं है तब विद इन 7 डेज 1 वीक अंदर में आप उसको ट्रांसफर करना यानी कि एप्लीकेंट को बताना है। अगर ऐसा नहीं है 1 मंथ पर ये तो आप पहले करके डॉक्यूमेंट्स देना पड़ेगा। ये एक आपका जो रूल में लिखा हुआ है। तो इसीलिए मैं आप लोगों को बोला था कि हम जो आती है आपका जो फुल फाइल किया था 18 नवंबर 2024 अब जो फॉरवर्डिंग करता है आपका इसमें जनवरी कितना था अब फॉरवर्डिंग बनाता है 16 जनवरी 2025 2 मंथ्स का बाद में आप फॉरवर्डिंग बनाने से तो होता नहीं। तो इसलिए मैंने बोला ये रूल्स का एक्सेस हो गया है तो आप खाली करके देना है ऐसे बोल रहे। तो अगर आप अभी डॉक्यूमेंट्स लाए हैं तो ठीक है देख लेगा खाली करके। और
That may not be lapses, maybe because staff भी कम है हमारे में साइज
एजेंसी इसका कम हो या वो आप लोग का डिपेंड नहीं करता
थोड़ा सा टाइम
तो एक्सेस है मैं बता विद इन 1 वीक अंदर में करना होता है ये ट्रांसपोर्ट यहाँ एप्लीकेशन को इंटीमेशन देना होता है। तो अभी
Okay,
डॉक्यूमेंट लाया है तो ठीक है हम देख लेते हैं
दिया तो आगे हो
Yes, sir.
तो मैं भी रूल पता है अब हम पूरा रूल जानो बोला इसलिए हम भी पता है ये
PIO, you mean to say that whatever in brief, you mean to say that whatever information those that are available with you, you have provided to me. And those information which are not with you, you have written to the competent authority. Yes, inform me to provide the information to them. And despite the competent authority not giving the information to him, again you have sent a reminder.
Reminder.
Also. Yeah, that is laudable on your side.
And they have collected.
Yes, yes. And then you have also even collected the information from the other agencies.
It was a hard for this maybe videography भी हम
Yes.
pen drive to look.
Yeah. That's also sincerity, no? And the knowledge of the things that you are doing. So both the parties present
before the case.
heard the appellant. The appellant stated that some information has been provided to him by the PIO. Sir, you are the
I'm the PIO.
PIO come
Deputy State
Deputy State Project Director.
Deputy
Not Project Director. ISSE, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. आपको जो ये सर का जो टेक्स्ट बुक वाला जो इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, क्योंकि सर अभी बोल रहे हैं और वो अभी जानता होगा कि दे आर डीलिंग विद द टेक्स्ट बुक एंड इंजीनियरिंग विंग तो सबको मालूम है एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में क्रिएट किया था अभी इफ दे स्टिल एग्जिस्ट
No, they are not existing. तो अभी तो some works are outsourced to people.
यस हाँ हाँ तो सर के पास जो इंफॉर्मेशन था आपको तो दिया है तो
अभी देगा।
नहीं वो जो कंसर्न पीआईओ के पास में जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो तो आपको दिया हो जो इनके पास में नहीं था वो इनका रिपीटेड रिमाइंडर्स के वजह से लाया है तो सर के पास जो था को दिया है अब मिला है तो हाँ एक ही पेज हो 2 पेज हो आप मिला है तो ना So the document stated that he has received the information available with the PIO. For the information particularly dealt with by the office of the PIO come Deputy SPD ISSE. Heard the PIO. The PIO stated that after going through the Form A of the appellant, he has compiled the information that are available in his office, for which his office deals with. And the other information which are not dealt or executed by his office, he has written to the competent authority, that is the executive, the then, THEN, the then executive engineer, engineering wing, Department of Education.
Yes.
They are addressed like that, no?
Yes.
To provide the information to the appellant. Despite his letter to the executive engineer, engineering wing, Department of Education, their non-furnishing of the information to the appellant, he has again sent a reminder to furnish the information to the appellant. And under his insistence, the then executive engineer, engineering wing, Department of Education, has today brought all the information in hard copy to be provided to the applicant. आप बाकी दे दीजिएगा इनको, एक रिसिप्ट भी ले लीजिएगा जी
उसमें
जी टेक्स्ट बुक का तो आप समझ गया ना कि कैसे प्रोक्यूर करता है, तो उसमें कुछ टोटल ट्रांसपेरेंसी है। एनसीईआरटी से जब आता है तो उसमें कोई अरुणाचल का कोई सप्लायर ये लोग टेंडर भी प्लॉट नहीं करता है। हाँ
उसमें सर टेक्स्ट बुक का जब
जी जी yes
ISOC is actually just an agency.
yes
So department will come on deputation.
yes
Different staffs have also attachment and deputation. Manpower is बहुत कम
yes
in compared to the
yeah, I can understand
तो इसलिए इन लोगों को भी टाइम तो इसमें जब इसमें टेक्स्ट बुक में सब क्लियरली ऐसा है कि CBSE has panel listed the suppliers. इसमें for entire notice RPDC is the panel listed supplier. Engineer Production and Distribution Center को so every year वो लोग हम से डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं कि how many are the number of students and what are the books required.
yes
Then they procure the books from CBSE NCERT New Delhi.
yes
तो उसके बाद वो लोग यहाँ लाते हैं they have their own warehouses. जब वो लाते हैं तो then they ask required
Yes.
amount. तो हम उसको ट्रांसमिट करते हैं तब जाके वो लोग भेजते हैं फिर हमारा ट्रांसपोर्ट पर जाके उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर जाते हैं This is the system.
next में देखो the information is submitted by the then executive engineer engineering wing department of education was handed over to the appellant today in the court of the commission. ऐसा करता है आप अभी नेक्स्ट में ये जो डिप्टी एसपीडी है इसका केस को हम लोग आज सीवियर करके डिस्पोज अप करता है। इंजीनियरिंग विंग का अगर आप देखिए आपका सेटिस्फेक्शन ऐसा कोई आप लोग आके बोलते हैं हम सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है। वी आर नॉट हियर टू सी वेदर यू आर सेटिस्फाइड और नहीं, वी आर ओनली हियर टू सी दैट यू हैव गॉट द कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉट, वो है सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए वी आर नॉट हियर। आपका सेटिस्फेक्शन को वी आर नॉट टेकिंग इनटू कंसिडरेशन। You go through every paper's documents. If you find that some of the informations are incomplete, you have to be very particularly briefing to the court which of the information that you have applied for are incomplete. ऐसा अंधाधुन incomplete है बोलने से I cannot be taking that into consideration. सुना है ना? तो आप अभी इसको जाके देख लीजिएगा and next hearing में अभी ये PIO Deputy SPD won't be a part anymore. We are severing him out and his matter is disposed. इसमें देन आपका उस समय का एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर का नाम बताइए। अभी भी है वही सेम पोस्ट में, क्या नाम है?
क्या लिखा है क्या मालूम
होगा देखो हियरिंग बोर्ड ऑफ well statement and
यहाँ में तो लिखा है ना
and the summation of the remaining information which are not with the instant the commission hereby order
सेकंड है
number 1 on the complete information provided to the appellant by the PIO from Deputy SPD ISSE Government of Arunachal Pradesh. The commission hereby severe 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 out the PIO from this instant appeal and disposing of the appeal filed against him by the appellant, and therefore the instant PIO come speedily severed out of his appeal as the appeal against him stands disposed of and closed. Next, the information provided by and the executive engineer Sri Gyamar Sri Gyamar engineering wing of education department is included as a party to this appeal and made the respondent's PIO hearing. Next, the appellant will go through the information provided to him by the PIO come executive engineering wing, Department of Education, and let the commission know whether the information are complete or not as per his application in the next date of hearing. Next, the PIO come executive engineering wing, Department of Education, to be present in the next date of hearing without fail, failing which necessary action is provided under RTI Act 2005 will be initiated against him. Next, the appellant to be present in the next date of hearing without fail, failing which this bill will be heard and determined expired. Next, the notice for the next hearing, in particular to the PIO come executive engineering wing, Department of Education, Government of AP, is informed through आपका नाम क्या है? Through मरगोबा सर, श्री मरगोबा सर. तब क्या क्या पोस्ट में आप? असिस्टेंट इंजीनियरिंग विंग का. असिस्टेंट ISSP एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर नातुंग सर को बताइएगा नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग को. इनकेस वो नहीं आता है तो उनका खिलाफ एक्शन शुरू करेगा. नेक्स्ट डेट क्या था मतलब? 4 जून 10:30 AM को यहाँ आने का है. 4 जून अब बताइए उनको, इसलिए आपका नाम हम यहाँ लिख रहे हैं. तो ये क्या लिख रहा है? ट्रू SSASS Trustee Service, DASTL Trustee Service. आपको in person बताया हमने. You got the responsibility to inform Mr. Natum of the next date, which is on 4th June 10:30 a.m. and he has to come here without pay. अगर नहीं आएगा तो we'll initiate action against him. वो हम मालूम नहीं बोलने से again we'll initiate action against you. Oh sir, you can come and
Thank you, sir.
directly against you disposed of.
Thank you, sir.
ये साल के खिलाफ में अभी कुछ होने होगा. तो साइन कर लीजिए. आप भी आके साइन कर लीजिएगा. बिल को अमन एंड करना. आपका आपका नाम और साइन डेट के साथ आज का डेट और आपका कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर.
Taking this opportunity, I would like to place a request. Our staff really need some orientation training on that, like
Yes,
management,
yes.
branch management, register again. If you could
Yes.
allow us, I will try to convince my secretary. And then specifically for RSSC,
Yes.
this staff इसके साथ मेरे और भी है.
जी.
Expect from commission itself अगर ट्रेन दिया जाए.
जी जी जी.
हमारा वर्कलोड सर बहुत इजी हो जाए.
So sir, as you have come today here, so you have achieved higher can.
I take that down.
एक बार आप ऑफिस किए थे. Meet him, yes, come in, sir. And tell him, apprise him about what you are
Yes.
feeling. No, that we will be voluntarily doing, even if there are no funds from your office also, from our office also. We can conduct a one-day training at least with your staff. No, that's a good idea. And ऐसा आपने जो पहले बोला that minutes that we passed, it was initiated by me कि voluminous वाला लोग को बसना है. Yeah, that was initiated by me because I have been in the court for the last 20 years as an advocate. So PIL में भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी बहुत रूलिंग किया है कि आलतू फालतू जो हमेशा PIL फाइल करता है ना उसको रेगली फेंको बोलते हैं. वर्स्ट लैंग्वेज में भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का रूलिंग है. So likewise it implies here also. No, अब इतना सारा and then हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में it's not a profession. Filing RTI cannot be a profession.
तो प्रोफेशन हो गया.
नहीं इसका नहीं हर एक का जो जिसका हम अपील सुनता है. अभी आई एम thinking I have to start some strict action against such a professionals ही बोलना पड़ेगा वो लोग को. हाँ ऐसा कुछ ये लोग को एक दो को ब्लैक लिस्ट करना पड़ेगा. ये टू मच है. पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट का ही के लिए ही लॉ बनता है ना. तो स्पेशली आपका ये तो चलो सेंट्रल हो गया, स्टेट का कैपिटल है, पर हर एक डिपार्टमेंट में हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में यहाँ से आके वहाँ फाइल करता है. वहाँ का पब्लिक लोग को कोई कंसर्न ही नहीं है. If those very first user public, they are not at all concerned, they are happy with the project, then who am I to come to CEPA and question about a project or anything? वो भी है तो ना, that's ethical and moral, no? Legally you might be right, but there are certain things called ethics and moral, no? इसलिए हम समझाते हैं बात ये लोग को. Anyway, you can talk to the CIC once. Bengia Mama versus Executive Engineer PWD Basar. The last time online है. तो लास्ट टाइम वो लोग देगा बोल रहा था. दिया है ना. जी दिया है. सब मिला है सब. Okay, fine. So shall we dispose of it? आपने जब मिला है बोल रहे तो why should we further it?
What is the 2018 to 24 का? But
18-19.
No sir, 18 to 14 तक किया था, लेकिन आपने
Yes, sir.
जी.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, ये एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर बासार डिवीजन है.
Sir, here I am.
और नंबर का सीधा पर हो जाओ.
नेक्स्ट में है वो, इसका बाद है.
आप आगे चला गया हो जाएगा. उसका
मैडम थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए, इन द नेक्स्ट स्लॉट में होगा. तो अब बासार का नहीं है ऑनलाइन.
वही पसर का है,
वो नहीं है.
वही है पसर का.
ये लिखा रहा था ये
एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर CWD बासार डिवीजन.
वही वो मैडम ही है.
एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर मैडम है.
किसी का म्यूट
Sir, did you see the Purijo?
Okay, okay. No, madam, we are hearing that executive engineer Basar PWD now. Yours is in the next list. ये PWD है ना वो तो DDSC है ना वो. एक्सीडेंट आपको जो दिया है एक फाइनेंशियल ईयर के लिए ही आपको डेटा बोल रहा है, तो वो तो दे दिया है जी. क्या कहना है आप इसमें?
जजमेंट 13 नवंबर
जी
13 नवंबर में आपका
हाँ.
जजमेंट आया था कि 2018 to 19 का ये डॉक्यूमेंट से पब्लिश कर देने के लिए, एंड देन वो पब्लिश हो गया
जी.
सर. इसके बाद आपने ये भी बोला था कि आप उन्हें पूछा था कि सर तो दूसरा को कैसे करेगा 2022-24 तक, तो आपने कहा था कि आप नेक्स्ट रीफाइल कीजिए, फर्स्ट फाइल
जी
कीजिए.
जी
सर
जी
जी सर, चीज को लेकर आपके डायरेक्शन को सुनते हुए मैंने श्री से एक फाइल फ्रेश से बात
जी जी
मोबाइल से देख
भी करते हुए ईयरली.
जी.
बट सर बासर से रिप्लाई आई मीन जब फाइलिंग किया था तो उसने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया.
जी.
नहीं देने के बाद मैंने फर्स्ट एप्लेट अथॉरिटी में
जी
फाइल किया.
जी
फर्स्ट एप्लेट अथॉरिटी में फाइल करते समय को उसने ये रिप्लाई दिया था कि मैटर हैज ऑलरेडी सब्जेक्ट इन एसआईसी कोर्ट. उसने ये कहा. तो उस चीज को आपका फर्स्ट एप्लेट अथॉरिटी में हियरिंग के लिए
जी
बुलाता है,
जी.
समन करता है
सर,
हियरिंग.
चेक कीजिए.
सर उसने मैंने हियरिंग पे नहीं किया
ओके.
बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी प्रेज्यूम दैट पीआईओ वही बोलेगा कि मैटर ऑलरेडी सब्जेक्ट इन एसआईसी कोर्ट. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट गोइंग. हम नहीं गया था उसमें. उसमें वही बोलेगा कि मैटर तो ऑलरेडी
that is another matter. No, this is another matter.
सर आपको बताना चाहिए उस चीज नहीं किया था कि आप तो ऑलरेडी जजमेंट दिया कि आप फॉर नेक्स्ट जैसे कर
एक
सकते
fresh है.
हैं फ्रेश फाइल कर सकते हैं. तो इस चीज को तो सर तो वो लोग हियरिंग भी करवाया है लेकिन रिप्लाई नहीं दे रहे.
नहीं तो वहां से फर्स्ट एप्लेट अथॉरिटी का हियरिंग में वाई यू डिडंट गो? आपको जाना चाहिए.
सर इस चीज को लेकर जब फर्स्ट हियरिंग जब आया है
जी.
तभी हियरिंग को सुनते हुए आपका बासर डिवीजन ने मुझे ये बोला था कि मैटर हैज ऑलरेडी सब्जेक्ट विजय धर्म सर को.
जी.
उसने ये कहा वो लोग रिप्लाई नहीं देगा बोला.
नहीं तो then there is a procedure. No, you can file the second appeal before us. आपने फाइल तो नहीं किया है.
सर अब तक नहीं किया. उस
हाँ
चीज
कर लीजिए उसको.
हाँ सर उसी चीज को लेकर
ओके फाइन. नाउ आई हैव यस you file it. इसको हम लोग डिस्पोज अप कर देता है. ओके फाइन. The appellant present the PIO action heard the appellant. The appellant stated that the PIO has furnished the complete information for the year 2018
to 19.
2019. Parameter ka we cannot be incorporating here. No. We cannot be incorporating here because I have ordered the PIO to provide you the information for 2018 and 19. Yes, you have it for the other information. Yes, you haven't filed the second appeal yet. I cannot be commenting on that. I cannot be writing any judgments on that. So we are disposing of this very cleanly today. For the other matters, you file a second appeal, for which if the matter is being given to me, I'll hear it. I'll brief them about this previous checking also. That time, if the bill comes before my court, you also remind me what the orders went, like today. So in the submission of the appellant, that all the information as further by the commission had been given to the appellant by PIO. The commission hereby does not find any reason to further this appeal, and therefore, in receipt of the complete information by the commission hereby dispose of this appeal and close it. Next one of it. Okay, then you file it properly for the second appeal, no? In what you have stated now. If it comes to me, I'll hear it. So, as for this, I have to some experts. Next also is yours. Yeah. Engya Mama versus DDSC Upper Subansiri district. इसमें what do you have to say?
मनोज डिपार्टमेंट का तरफ से ये टीचर का था इसका डॉक्यूमेंट्स फर्निश किया
Yes, sir.
Furnish किया.
हाँ फर्निश किया है बट उसमें एक चीज से आपका टेम्पोररी अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ टीचर जो कि उसका ऑर्डर तो नहीं दिया जबकि ऑर्डर तो मैंडेटरी होता है जब आप किसी को टेम्पोररी अपॉइंट करते हैं टीचर उसका कोई अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर ही नहीं दिया हाँ लेकिन उसमें मेंशन है कि दैट पर्सन्स आर टेम्पोररी अपॉइंटेड बट एग्जैक्टली द ऑर्डर नहीं दिया ऑर्डर लेटर
So, PIO madam, the appellant is saying that you have provided her the information, but you have failed to provide the appointment order of those temporary teachers. That is only the issue now.
Sir, actually, I'm newly joined here as a DDC Shri. So I switched over the matter to my APIO, this Tagia Koda. So he'll explain why it's so that, no, sir?
Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Sir.
Yes.
Sir, from the India Mama Appellant 2024, in Form A, Section 1, furnish of a copy of appointment order and transfer order teaching staff against the government regarding Ramching school, sir. So here, during the garden EDSC October, sir, we have given a reply, sir.
Yes.
Here it is written, yes, from 15 to 29, that school was run as a community school, sir.
Yes.
Then on 20 to 23, Tadung Rigya was attached for 1 year. And then Yasok Natam, she was appointed and posted from 21 to 23. So all the document which are related to the matter is now it's ready with us. We can provide them, sir.
Okay. Anyway, that school was run as a run by the community. You are saying by the villagers.
Yes, from 15 to 19, sir.
Yes.
And now, due to this one less enrollment or negligence in enrollment, that school was temporarily attached by Tadung Rigya for 1 year only, and then after regularization of his job, he again transferred from that place. Sir. All the transfer, posting order copy and this appointment letters are with us, sir, we can provide the document to her. Sir.
Now she's submitting before the court that she has been given the informations by you, except the appointment orders of those teachers which you have arranged temporarily. Only that particular document. Other documents she is also submitting that she has been given by you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. Sir,
Abhi,
actually,
only
till now,
one
no
piece.
temporary arrangement.
Okay.
Sir, till now, no temporary arrangement has made because, sir, under the new clubbing policy, that school has to club with the other schools, sir. That is why no temporary arrangement are made till now, sir. And it was also mentioned in 2024's replies also. We have given the report house and in this the recent summon we have prepared and also given that we didn't arrange any temporary arrangement till now. And why because under the new club policy, so that school has to club. That is why temporary arrangement of teachers does not erase.
No, Miss Mama, you also might be aware of the conditions of the far-flung, undeveloped areas of our state. Taliha is a very far-flung area. So, as compared to other places, no one wants to go there and start questioning. And anyhow, if the community is arranging teachers on temporary basis, also that might be voluntarily from the side of the teachers. Also, you never know. So, in those far-flung areas, if education is being provided by some volunteers in association with the Department of Education, it's praiseworthy actually. Had there been any permanent appointees that have been appointed without any conducting of proper interview or viva votes, whatever, we might question the authorities. No. But for temporary arrangements, do you feel it is worth questioning or do you feel it's worth obtaining the information? Just imagine who wants to go to Taliha and serve.
Education, we all know that education is a first priority for
Yes.
and if there is any story teachers are there,
Yeah.
so
Right. The particular competent authority is saying that the community has arranged it. And you know what we did last time in Galo Welfare Society also for the schools near to the Apurijo where teachers are insufficient. The Galo Welfare Society has appointed some teachers on temporary basis. Likewise, Nishi Elite Society also does that. Adivani Kebang also does that. So these are all temporary teachers arranged by the community in association with the Department of Education. So now the Department of Education might not be appointing them, but on the request or insistence of the community organizations, they might have been engaged, and the payment might have been given by the CBOs only. You never know. So my point is, see, in far-flung areas where no one wants to go and serve, if some people there are voluntarily serving our children, rather we should be encouraging them instead of disturbing them. So when someone files an RTI to a PIO, but the psyche of the PIOs in Arunachal Pradesh is, they feel that it is just harassment. It's not in the public interest. So I think whatever information they had with them, they have provided to you except the temporary teachers. Temporary teachers
So
को
they
भी
get given the
yes,
list, but
they will give you the list of the teachers, the names they will give.
yes,
But when they have not appointed them, the community has appointed them. From where they can give you the appointment orders? But the PIO here is saying that he can give you those also if they were appointed by the Department of Education. So PIO, APIO, if you can hear me, do you have the appointment
Yes, sir.
orders? Do you have the appointment orders of the temporary teachers that you have engaged?
Sir, till now, sir, we didn't make any temporary arrangements, sir, because that school is going to be club under new education clubbing policy, sir. Till now.
No, 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 no.
Earlier,
You have,
to the
no, no. You have given the names of some temporary teachers run by the community. So, do you have the appointment orders of those temporary teachers that were used earlier?
no, sir, no records, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
No.
in those days, sir, it was I think since from 2015 to 19, sir, due to running of running the school as a community schools,
Yes.
the schools was managed by the SMC, sir.
Okay, fine. I understand. Yeah. So, I think it's not worth furthering this hearing. No. See, अब भी सोचो ना. Will you go to Taliha and serve? No. At least there are people who are serving now, and not now, some years before, till the community was managing the school. Now they have, he's saying now that as per the new education rules, the government is clubbing schools where few attendance are there, like enrollments are there. Like one primary school will have two children, and the nearby primary school might have some 10 children. So this school will be closed and clubbed with that school, the children there. So let us discuss this also. I don't I don't see like going up to the check the appointment order of the temporary teachers appointed by the community and run by the community. You will make out anything out of it. I don't see anything. There is a term in no, I'm forgetting it now. The High Court judges generally use it. Like if you don't see any proper ending, no, any legal ending, there's no point furthering it, pursuing it, forgetting that the return. So anyway, whatever information you have asked regarding the teachers transfer appointment of those regular teachers you have been given, you are saying. And you are saying only the temporary teachers, the appointment orders are not being given to you. I don't think to pursue it. It's not that necessary also because it doesn't serve the public interest of Kaliha. See, here we are concerning about the public of Kaliha. So, getting the appointment orders of temporary teachers of the schools in Kaliha should be concerned by the community or the people of Kaliha. So I don't see any public interest in your appeal here. In the second point, for the second point. But for the first point, it's okay. And then you are submitting like we have got information. Let us dispose this also. Heard the PIO, heard the tenant, that when put in first information has been provided, we can accept the appointment of temporary teacher. Heard the APIO, the APIO stated that regarding the temporary teacher, there is no appointment on the the school was managed and run by the community. The hearing both the parties, the commission hereby observes the parkland schools of Arunachal Pradesh where development is yet to reach properly. The volunteering, VOLUNTEERING, volunteering of certain individuals as teachers to educate our children are praiseworthy and encouraged. To such community appointments, there won't be any appointment order from the department of under the above stated facts and observations, the commission hereby passes the law order. On receipt of the document available with the PIO by the applicant completely, the commission does not need to further the hearing of this appeal and therefore report of professor. So, PIO madam, can you hear me? PIO madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I have disposed of this appeal.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. For the reason that whatever information you have already provided it to the appellant, and for the rest of the information that is insisting, those are run by the community, and the education department cannot be having any appointment orders for temporary teachers managed by the community. So the appeal is
Exactly,
disposed
sir.
of.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
I have a request.
Yes.
PWD वर्षा करके आप बिना रिलीज से फाइल करते हुए ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं
No. You have to file because I have ordered. No, you are a lawyer. You are an advocate. You also know that whatever order I have issued from my court, those orders have been respected, and as per that orders, the information have been given to you. Regarding the rest of the information that you are seeking, you can file the second appeal before us. We'll hear to you. Tamche Gungte versus Executive Engineer PH Teju Division. Court absent ना PH आया है तमसी गुंगटे लेटर ऑफ एब्सेंस दिया
आया सर
yes so अब बताइए आप आपने कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है
during last hearing also I have stated that I have got the report, but he has not come here in my office to collect the report.
Okay, fine. ठीक है. So the information are ready at your office, but the appellant has not come to your office to collect the information. Is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The
And he has appealed to first appellate.
absent with a letter of absence. The PIO present online. Heard the PIO. The PIO stated that all the information as applied by the appellant is ready at his office to be furnished to the appellant. But the appellant has not come to get the information. And the appellant may be ordered to collect the information from the office of the PIO. After hearing the PIO, the commission here were on the number one, the appellant to collect the information from the office of the PIO, come executive engineer, PhD, and WS, KU division in person, in person, and to be present in the next step to brief the receipt of the information to the commission and to be present in the next step of hearing without fail. Failing with, we will then determine the first step. The CIO to provide the information to the appellant and to be present in the next step of hearing. Send notice of the next hearing to the appellant. Fix the next date of hearing on 4th June 2030 AM. So, Mr. PIO,
Yes, sir.
okay, if the appellant is absent today with a letter of absence, I'll have to give him another chance, but I am ordering him
Okay,
to
sir.
collect the information from your office in person and let us know
Yes, sir.
if he has received the information completely or not in the next date of hearing. The next date of hearing is
Okay, sir.
fixed on 4th June 10:30 am. 4th June
Okay, sir.
10:30 am. And in case if the appellant fails to come for the hearing, I'll dispose of this appeal.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So you have to come on 4th June 10:30 am
June.
again. 10th
Yes,
June.
sir.
Yeah, 4th June.
Okay.
4th June 10:30 am.
4th June, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Next
sir.
is Tamche Gungte versus Executive Engineer UG.
हेलो
Wait, लेकिन अलग अलग है ना?
हाँ
UG and housing
ना मेरा गाड़ी खड़ा है
0. So you are saying that you have not undertaken any construction of 20 numbers of Anganwadi center buildings in various locations at Lower Seven City. Okay. So have you have given that in written? Okay, fine. Okay, इसको तब तक dispose कर देता है. The appellant absent with a letter of absence. The PIO come executive engineer, Union Housing, 0 Division, Lower Subansiri, District Government of Arunachal Pradesh is present and heard the PIO. The PIO stated that in the last hearing on 6th November 2025, also I have stated before the court that this office has not executed any work as written in the Form A of the appellant, and therefore he does not have any idea as to how to provide him and what to provide him for the thing or information that he is totally not in the know. Next, he has written to the appellant stating the same reason that his office has not executed any such work and therefore cannot provide him any information about such work if he is not in the know. And also, he does not know what department or executing agency might have executed the said works as CITED as CITED cited by the appellant in his form. Under after hearing the PIO, Commission hereby observes number one. In the last hearing, which was the first hearing held on 6th November 2025, the PIO was present in the court and stated that his office has not executed such works as applied information by the that that the same was given in written to the appellant. Under the above stated observations, the Commission hereby pass the below orders. The statement of the PIO taken into consideration that his office has not executed any work as applied by the appellant. Therefore, there are no information. There are no information. There are no information to be furnished the appellant, for which the PIO also has given in writing to the appellant. Considering the statement of the PIO, the Commission also feels that no information can be furnished to an individual without the availability of such information with the office of the PIO. And therefore, the Commission does not find any reason to further the hearing that is appeal and dispose of this appeal and lawsuit. We have disposed of this one.
Technically,